It all started with a closing sale at a popular local electronics and office supply company. This was the kind of event that draws in a crowd, eager for bargains and hidden gems. Among the multitude of discounted items, two pieces stood out to me: the Amalfi desk and a high-end gaming chair. Both were marked down to prices that seemed too good to be true. Little did I know, this sale would mark the beginning of a satisfying journey into creating my perfect home office setup. The Amalfi desk was unlike any other I had seen. Its sleek design and functional elements immediately caught my attention. What set it apart was its unique construction. The desk featured metal-reinforced frames, which not only provided a sturdy and durable foundation, but also offered a creative twist: the ability to hang magnetic accessories. This feature opened up a world of organizational possibilities, from magnetic hooks for headphones and cables to magnetic whiteboards for notes and reminders. Once I brought the Amalfi desk home, the real fun began. Setting it up was surprisingly easy. The instructions were clear and the components fit together seamlessly. Within no time, the desk was standing proudly in my designated office space. One of my primary goals was to keep the desk space as clutter-free as possible. To achieve this, I decided to mount my monitors and PC on the wall. This not only freed up valuable desk real estate, but also gave the setup a clean and modern look. With the monitors floating above the desk, I could easily adjust their height and angle to suit my needs, enhancing both comfort and productivity. To further streamline the workspace, I installed a pull-out keyboard tray under the desk. This decision was a game changer. It allowed me to tuck away the keyboard when not in use, giving me more room to work on other tasks. The tray was sturdy and smoothly slid in and out, making it convenient to access the keyboard whenever needed. Next up was the gaming chair. While primarily designed for gamers, its ergonomic features made it an excellent choice for extended office use. The chair came with adjustable armrests, which provided much-needed support during long hours of typing and mouse work. Additionally, the chair's ability to recline and elevate meant I could find the perfect seating position to maintain comfort and prevent strain. The journey of installing the Amalfi desk and gaming chair was a testament to the power of good design and thoughtful setup. By maximizing desk space, utilizing unique features, and ensuring ergonomic comfort, I created a home office that met all my needs. This setup not only improved my work experience, but also served as a reminder that sometimes the best solutions come from taking a chance on something new.